Hello students, once again we are here and today under our chapter 1 number and their operations, and today's topic will be comparing and ordering of numbers. How we compare and order the numbers according to the given pattern. So today we are going to discuss about predecessor and successor of the given numbers, comparing the numbers and writing the numbers in ascending and descending order. So how we perform all these actions for the given numbers we will discuss today. So let's begin with our today's topic. So first comes, here we are with predecessor. So what is predecessor? The number that comes just before the particular number is called its predecessor. Predecessor means the number minus 1. The given number minus 1 is the predecessor of the given number. For example, here we have been given the number, you can see, and we have to find its predecessor. So simply what we need to do is we just subtract 1 from the given number, that is the given number minus 1. So minus 1 means the 1 is subtracted from the last unit place and you will get your predecessor, as you can see. Okay. Then we are having successor. So the number that comes just after the particular number is called its successor. Or we can say successor equal to given number plus 1. For example, we have been given the same number and we have to find its successor. So simply we need to add 1 to the number. So the given number plus 1. So the 1 is added to the unit place number and we will get the required successor for the given number. Okay. Simply we add number to the unit place. Okay. Then we are having, what if the unit place is 0 or 9? To find the successor or predecessor, if the unit place is 0 or 9, then what we do? So in this case we need to be careful about the borrowing and carrying rule of subtraction or addition. For example, in predecessor we have taken, so this is the number over here 34,680 and we have to find the predecessor. Here the unit place is 0. So what we do? We need to subtract 1. So we cannot subtract 1 from 0. So we need to take the borrow from 8. So as you know the rule of subtraction taking borrowing. So it will be 34,679. We need to subtract 1 from 80. So 80 minus 1 is 79. So the tens and ones place both will change over here. So you can see the unit place and tens place have changed. So when the unit place is 0 and we have to find predecessor, simply subtract it from the tens and unit place together. That is 80 minus 1, we will get 79. Okay. Then for successor what we do? If the unit place is 9 and we have to add. Now this time when the unit place is 9 and we are adding 1, the 9 plus 1 is 10. So the carryover 1 will be moved to the next digit. So here you can see 89 plus 1, so it will become 90. So the result will be 34,690. Okay. So the successor for 34,689 will be 34,690. So this thing we have to keep in mind, and we can see that unit and tens place have changed.